paint this crazy lip art with me. Here's the canvas we're starting with so that you can see the difference. Outline the lips and the squares. Take a small flat brush and paint them in all the different colors that you like, all the colors of the rainbow. Sure, you can also use just a thin brush. The flat one just makes it a little bit quicker. Then paint some designs with a thin brush in some of the squares, but not all of them. The letters TMB stand for the Mirror Beauty. Don't forget to add some tooth polish for more fun. Make your lips smile in 2 different ways with this Pride makeup tutorial. First, trace a contour so that you can apply your rainbow gradient, your ombre lips, and you can trace the border nicely. Apply different colors, preferably on the lighter side, so that they contrast the black design that you are going to apply next for the smiley. Carve the lip line with foundation for a better close-up view. And if this made you smile, comment any smiley emoji, and this lip art is going to get as weird as it possibly can. I promise. First, apply a bright purple lipstick, then make the lip makeup rainbow by adding colorful swirls, and then apply some lash glue to the border of your lips. And after that, guess what? Yes, we're sticking it on pompons, the actual fluffy pompons. Got those at a craft store. Oh my god, what the heck am I doing? I don't know. Apparently transforming myself into a pompon. But it's fun. Save and like to recreate or to show a friend. Here is how you paint a glitter lip art and tooth art. Black liquid lipstick as a base, then some random lines with the silver one. Apply tooth polish. Yes, this is a special tooth polish. First the base colors and then the glitter. After that, apply the glitter primer to the silver lines that you have painted and start applying different rainbow glitters. Then carve the lips with foundation. Don't forget to take someone by surprise with your rainbow smile and follow for more ideas. A quick rainbow lip art tutorial for the Pride month. This one is from last year. By the way, comment if you remember it or if this one is new to you. After doing the ombre lip, top it with the eyeshadow of the same colors. Then draw a black wave, top it with glitter. And there is so much more rainbow makeup on my page. Paint the stained glass lip art. First, sketch out the stained glass shapes, fill them in with different colors, and 2 of them are going to be dark purple. I'll explain why. Then after you fill in, go over with black one more time and paint the lower lip with purple, and this way it will seem like 2 pieces fell off, so paint them on the lower lip because they're there. Carve the lips with foundation and visit my page for way more lip art ideas.